Fractional exponents. It looks difficult, right? But no worries. By the end of this video, you will be able to solve this problem easily. So here we go. First, 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2. What is this? Let me write it here. 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2. To solve this, we need to follow this rule that says if we have a raised to the power of m over n, it can be rewritten in the form of root n a to the power of m. Actually, in this exponent, denominator is gonna be the root and numerator is gonna be the power. So 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2 can be rewritten in the form of root 2 4 raised to the power of 3. But what is this? 4 cube is gonna be 4 times 4 times 4, right? And this is same as 4 times 4 16 times 4 64, and all second root of 64 is 8. So we have 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2 is 8. Next term, 4 raised to the power of negative 3 over 2. To solve this, we need to follow this rule that says a raised to the power of negative m can be rewritten in the form of 1 over a to the power of m. Actually, this negative flips the number into a fraction. So 4 raised to the power of negative 3 over 2 can be rewritten in the form of 1 over 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2. And from previous step, 4 raised to the power of 3 over 2 is 8. So it is going to be 1 over 8. So we have 4 raised to the power of negative 3 over 2 is 1 over 8. And last step, just add this 8 and this 1 over 8. Let's see what is the final answer. 8 plus 1 over 8 is gonna be the common denominator between 8 over 1 and 8, right? 1 and 8 is 8. 8 divided by 1 is gonna be 8. 8 times 8, 64, plus 8 divided by 8 is 1 times 1 is 1. So your final answer is gonna be 65 over 8.